So what are transformers? So basically transformers are a deep learning architecture built around the self-attention mechanism, which allows the model to understand relations between all tokens in a sequence simultaneously rather than processing them step by step like in recurrent neural networks or in long short-term memories. So a transformer is made up of stacked encoder and decoder blocks, and each contain multi-head attention, feed-forward networks, layer normalization, and some residual connections that make the training stable and highly parallelizable. So this architecture captures long-range dependencies, scales efficiently, and serves as the foundation for modern large language models like GPT, BERT, and T5. So from the business perspective, transformers power chatbot, search system, summarization, code assistant, recommendation engines, and document automation, making them the backbone of enterprise AI and the reason companies can build smart, context-aware application at scale. Thank you.